this is something I'm really passionate about right now, which is most firm owners, and this is specifically for people who are still solo, right? Like if you're in that solo camp, it almost is a trap, right? Or it is a trap actually, which is you don't have enough time and you don't have enough money to create the next version of your firm. It's impossible. Like Clio Legal Trends report that gets released every year. They did one in 2019 or 2020 where they surveyed 2,000 solo firm owners. And the average solo firm owner is billing 2.1 hours a day and collecting 1.8 hours a day. Put that in contrast to an attorney on your staff. If you hire an associate, all they're doing is billable legal work. They should not be doing anything else. Everything else gets delegated to somebody else, right? If they're human and they take a lunch break and they have bathroom breaks and coffee breaks and whatever, we should be getting 6 hours a day of billable work out of them. That's not a stretch. That's not crazy. That's treating them like a normal person. They should be producing that for our firm. Well, that's 3 times what you can do as an attorney in your firm. 3 times. That means that if you think that you're going to be ready to hire somebody when you're doing a third of the work that they're going to do, financially, you'll never be ready for that. And that's the thing where like you have to have this shift. Like if I want to get somebody's time and I want to execute on that, and there has to be an investment made. And the investment's both time and money, right? Like Jordan is talking about, hey, you got to start taking time to be the owner of your business, but it's almost impossible when it's just you and you're fully booked for you to even think about taking an hour and working on your business, right? The faster that you can deploy another attorney in your firm, the faster you can deploy a paralegal, the faster you can deploy having somebody else do your marketing for you, the faster you're going to have the flexibility to be able to start having time to spend working on your business. Any thoughts on that, Jordan?
Yeah, I mean, look, what is it? History doesn't repeat, but it rhymes. Is one of my favorite quotes that I had to take a second to remember. But like, it's like think of an assembly line. Your law firm is that car being made, and instead of having one person do everything the whole way down the line, people can take their spots in the chain. So you can focus on, let's say you love doing the consultation, so stay in sales, make some marketing vision, outsource that to a team, have lawyers who can and paralegals who can fulfill the work afterwards. And now you get that many more reps in the consultations. And now you have that much more effort to spend learning how to be a better salesperson instead of having, 15 minutes to read this one article on sales and having to stay up on case law and checking out every judge's specific rules to their courtroom for every motion you file. Like there's just no way to do all of this, but by focusing, you can get that much better and you can find people who are even better than you at some of the other parts that you get off your plate. And now the entire business is better. So now clients are happier and you're happier and the employees are happier because they're not doing 17,000 things for 2 seconds here and 15 minutes there and whatnot. It's so much better for everybody and society and your family and the clients. It's just wild to me.